So now we're going to work on the side rails. These are the pieces that go along the edge of the bed. We cut it to 45 on one side so that they'll butt up to this. But we're going to put our marker light holes in this before we put it on the bed because, you know, clearly it's easier that way. This customer wants 5 lights along the side. What we're going to do is we're going to take our tape measure and mark out where the holes are. Now these side rails are 78.5 inches long. The way that math splits up is we're going to start from the tail end of the truck. We're going to take our square, mark a line at 6 inches, 22 and 9/16, 39 and a quarter. This one's 55 and 15/16, and this is 72.5. And we're just going to draw a line in all those spots. Now this guy wants them in the center of the tube, so this 4-inch tube. We're going to take our square, put it on there, grab our center punch, and along that line we're just going to mark at the 2-inch mark. We're just going to put our center punch there and mark where we're going to put the hole, do it on the other one, and do that all the way down. Now when you're done with that, you're going to have to drill the hole. Now you can do that on a drill press, you can do it with a hand drill, you can do it with a mag drill like I got. But these are 3/4 inch holes, and they work with these 3/4 inch marker lights. Now these are super cheap on Amazon. I think I get them like 25 of them for like $6 or something. They're super cheap. Once you got it all marked out, you start popping your holes. Now we're going to get our drill and our 3/4 inch drill bit. Now you can do this by hand. I use a mag drill like I said before. Now what you're going to do is you're going to pop a 3/4 inch hole in on one side, on the top side, the outer side, and you're going to run it all the way through and put a pilot hole on the back side. Because later on we're going to turn this over and we're going to use that pilot hole to drill our 1 3/8 holes on the other side. And that is so that we can get to the wiring and run the wiring to all of our lights inside that tube. Now a lot of guys run the wire on the outside. I think it's a cheap way to do it. You're always just going to run into problems. Sagebrush going to tear it off, whatever. So we're going to pop it through the first side, and then we're just going to run a pilot hole through the opposite side, and we're going to do that all the way down both side rails. Now that we've got the 3/4 inch holes drilled on the outside for the marker lights, we are going to flip these over, grab our 1 3/8 bit, and using those pilot holes that we drilled on the first run, we are going to drill an 1 3/8 hole on the back. Now this is so that we can access the wiring with our fingers when we run it down the inside of these tubes, and so that we can hide our wires. And this will keep them a lot safer. It's a lot cleaner way to build it. You're just going to drill all those all the way down, and then we will move on to mounting the side rails on our bed frame. Now this is what you should end up with. You should end up with a 3/4 inch holes on the outside and an 1 3/4 hole directly across from it on the inside of the bed. Now that we've got all of that drilled out, we are going to move on to mounting these side rails. Now we're going to install the sides onto the main frame. what we're going to do is we're going to grab a couple of scrap pieces of metal and a couple of clamps. We are going to line that up where it goes. Put the scrap pieces on top and clamp them down so that when we roll these over, these are nice and flush with the entire frame. Line the 45 up on the corner real nice, clamp it down, and then tack it into place. Then we're just going to do the same thing to the other side. Now this should be what you ended up with at this point. You got your side rails on, the main frame built. Now we're going to move on to putting the tail end of this together.